In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Bluesky post in WordPress, and we'll get through this in just about 5 minutes. So whether you're managing a personal blog or a professional website, embedding content like a Bluesky post can really enhance your site's engagement and aesthetic. Let's dive right in to see how simple this process can be. First things first, you need to head over to wordpress.com. This is the platform that you'll be working on to embed your Bluesky post. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is usually placed at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. It's pretty straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, make sure you're on the correct URL and try refreshing your browser. Once you've clicked on login, you'll have a few options for signing in. For the sake of convenience and speed, I'm going to recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option will allow you to seamlessly access your WordPress account using your Google credentials without the hassle of entering separate usernames and passwords. Now you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one that's associated with your WordPress site. This step ensures that you're logging into the correct WordPress account, so double check this if you manage multiple sites or have several Google accounts. After selecting your Google account, you'll find yourself on your WordPress dashboard. Here's where it gets exciting. Look to the right side of your screen for the Quick Links panel. You'll find an option that says Edit Site. Click on that. This action takes you to the editing interface of your WordPress site, where you can make all sorts of changes, including embedding a Bluesky post. Once you're in the editing area, you need to look for the plus icon. It's a universal symbol for adding something new, so it'll probably be pretty familiar. Click on it and you'll open a menu of available blocks that you can add to your page or post. This is where WordPress really shines with its block-based editor, making everything so user-friendly. Now in the search bar that appears, type in Bluesky. Watch as the related options pop up. For embedding a post, you'll want to look for Bluesky Embed. Once you see it, click on it and it should bring up an interface where you can paste your Bluesky post's URL. And there you go, you might need to hit preview to ensure everything looks as it should. And when you're happy with it, go ahead and publish your changes. And that's how you seamlessly embed a Bluesky post into your WordPress site. It's a nifty way to add some dynamic content without too much fuss, and it will definitely make your page stand out. Happy embedding, and see you next time for more tips and tricks on making your web experience even better.